Discover this prime industrial space located right here in Kirby, Texas. The expansive lot offers incredible potential. Paved parking area sits before the secure entrances. The sturdy exterior features multiple roll-up doors for easy access, featuring large overhead bay doors that make loading and unloading a breeze. We are offering flexible leasing options available now. The layout offers customizable spaces for diverse business needs. There is ample space surrounding the property for your logistics operations. Imagine your team working efficiently in this cozy and bright office space. The common areas feature clean tile flooring throughout them. A large internal window provides a clear view into the warehouse floor. The high ceilings are supported by strong red steel beam supports. Picture the endless possibilities for storage in this vast and open concrete floor plan. The multiple garage doors allow for seamless workflow integration. Versatile interiors designed for private workspaces or storage. A convenient service window adds functionality to this neutral and professional commercial interior space. The metal siding ensures durability, while the location provides easy access to main roads. The integrated security cameras offer peace of mind. Park your vehicles conveniently in the marked concrete spaces. Contact us today to schedule a private tour of this exceptional industrial property in Kirby.